Hello kids, welcome to our channel. प्यारे बच्चों, खुश आमदीद. In this video we are practicing 2D shapes and we will also draw numbers from 1 to 50 in this worksheet. So stay here and watch complete video. पूरी वीडियो देखें बच्चों. Let's learn some colors. These are our colors. This is purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, violet color, red color, black color, dark blue color, dark green color, light green color, pink color. Let's start drawing 2D shapes. This is a circle. क्या है बच्चों? Circle. Triangle. Square. This is a plus sign. Rectangle. Here, this is a rectangle. Star. Let's draw a star. Wow, we have just drawn 2D shapes. Let's color these 2D shapes. Dark blue color. Dark blue color circle. Red color. Red color triangle. Purple color. Purple color square. Let's color the plus sign. Violet color. Violet color plus sign. Now let's color the rectangle. Let's color. This is also brown color. Brown color rectangle. Color the star. Yellow color star. Wow, we have done. Dear kids, don't go anywhere. We are now drawing another worksheet, that is numbers from 1 to 50. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Let's practice numbers from 1 to 50. This is 1, number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have also colors. If we want, you can also do it with these colors. This is red color. 11, number 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Dark blue color. 21, 22. Brown color. 23, 24. Black color. 25, 26. Purple color. 27, 28. Violet color. 29, 30. We have so many other colors. Let's color with violet color. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Which color do you like to practice these numbers? 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Let's use red color again. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. You can even do it with pencil or marker you have. 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, we have done. Dear kids, all these numbers I have done right now. I request you to do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.